So today I want to clear up another biblical contradiction that some people take issue with. And it's the idea of God being a jealous God, which he says in Exodus 20 and Exodus 34. And in the book of James, in the book of James, it's stated indirectly. It says, "For he jealously desires the spirit he created to dwell within us." Okay? So those three definitions of jealous are the same. But then there are other places in the Bible, in the book of James again, and in 1 Corinthians, where it says that love is not jealous. That's 1 Corinthians. And if God is love, then how can he be jealous, right? And then it also says in the book of James, it says that where jealousy and selfish ambition exist, there is disorder and evil and of every kind. So what's the solution to this? The solution to this is that there's two different kinds of jealousy. One is the petty juvenile jealousy where we're like, oh my God, I just can't believe he's got that or she's got that. Why can't I have it? What a jerk. Right? God's not like that at all. But the other kind of jealousy, I love Webster's definition, which is vigilant in guarding a possession. Vigilant in guarding the object of your love. This is the kind of jealousy that God suffers from. Why? Because that's a component of love. And it's built into creation. You can see it everywhere. Parents for their children, husbands for their wives, like in Proverbs. Solomon's warning us against committing adultery, and he says, for jealousy enrages a man. What kind of jealousy? Petty juvenile jealousy? Where he's jealous because his friend's got more cows and donkeys than he does? Is that what Solomon was talking about? No, he's talking about, this is the object of my love. And if you touch her, you're going to... Right? It says, jealousy enrages a man, and he will not be content though you give many gifts. Right? So there's two very distinctly different kinds of jealousy. And this is probably one of those cases where in the English we only have one word, but in the Hebrew or the Aramaic or the Greek or whatever language it was originally written in, there's probably like 4 or 5 different words to describe these different things, right? That happens a lot in the Bible, by the way. So you can't just take face value English. I mean, sometimes you can. Some things in the Bible are clear, like when it says God is love. You can take that at face value, although love is such a huge and comprehensive thing, right? It's much more complex than just saying God is a nice feeling, or right? Because love is totally huge and comprehensive. But it makes the point, right? There's a lot of things, I am making the point that there's a lot of things in the Bible where if you just take it at face value English, it's not going to make sense and it's going to contradict. So, what's the solution? The solution is you listen to the Spirit of truth as you read the Bible, and he will explain these things to you. And he'll show you examples such as this, wherein one kind of jealousy is petty and juvenile and causes disorder and all kinds of crap, like it says in the book of James. But this kind of jealousy is a component of God's love. And it is what? Stronger than death. Like Solomon said in the Song of Solomon. Thank you and have a nice day.